हाय फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम सोमेश कुमार सिंगरौल है और मैं एमएससी थर्ड सेम केमिस्ट्री का स्टूडेंट हूँ। आज मैं आपको एफएमएन और लिपोइक एसिड के बारे में बताऊँगा। एफएमएन फ्लेविन मोनोन्यूक्लियोटाइड इंट्रोडक्शन। फ्लेविन्स आर अ सेट ऑफ pyridine based yellow organic compounds derived from the isoalloxane ring. Riboflavin, commonly known as vitamin B2, is the central source of all biological important flavins. Riboflavin was discovered in 1879 as a yellow pigment from milk, and its chemical structure was deciphered in the 1930s. It is also known as riboflavin phosphate. Riboflavin is the component of the coenzyme. Other name of this is riboflavin phosphate, and it combines with various specific protein to form enzyme. Example: L-amino acid oxidase and cytochrome C reductase. Structure: FMN is obtained by the phosphorylation of lactoflavin. If we elucidate structure of lactoflavin, also known as riboflavin, then flavin structure of FMN can be determined. FMN का स्ट्रक्चर ये होता है, उसका फार्मूला है C17H21N4O9P। मोलर मास होता है 456.344 ग्राम पर मोल। मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होता है 195 डिग्री सेल्सियस। Synthesis. Overview of the biosynthetic pathway of flavin. All plant and fungi as well as most bacteria are capable of producing riboflavin. The biosynthesis of flavin starts from GTP and ribulose 5-phosphate, and riboflavin can be further converted into FMN and FAD. Fungi such as the flavinogenic Agospia prefers oil as substrate, while the bacteria such as B. subtilis and Escherichia coli tend to utilize carbohydrate as a carbon source. ये फंगाई ऑयल्स को एज अ सब्सट्रेट लेता है जब बैक्टीरिया कार्बोहाइड्रेट को कार्बन सोर्स के रूप में यूटिलाइज करता है। द बायोसिंथेटिक पाथवे लीडिंग फ्रॉम द सब्सट्रेट टू फ्लेविन्स encompass beta oxidation cycle, the glyoxylate cycle, TCS cycle, gluconeogenesis, the PP pathway, the purine pathway, and the flavin synthesis pathway. The biotechnological engineering of flavin proper production strain is always accomplished by overexpression of genes in the relevant pathway, suppression of competing pathway, and disruption of regulatory genes responsible for feedback inhibition. ये वो साइकिल है जिसमें दिखाया गया है कि कैसे जीटीपी और रूबिनोज 5-फास्फेट से फ्लेविन सिंथेसिस होता है। फ्लेविन सिंथेसिस में होता है और फ्लेविन सिंथेसिस में एफएमएन एंड एफएडी बनता है। सेकेंड टॉपिक लिपोइक एसिड, जिसको अल्फा लिपोइक एसिड भी बोलते हैं। लिपोइक एसिड इंट्रोडक्शन। लिपोइक एसिड आल्सो नोन एज अल्फा लिपोइक एसिड एंड थर्टिक एसिड is an organosulfur compound derived from caprylic acid, octanoic acid synthesis. Alpha lipoic acid is made in animals normally and is essential for aerobic metabolism. It is also manufactured and is available as dietary supplement in some countries where it is marked as an antioxidant and is available as pharmaceutical drug in other countries. Structure of lipoic acid. जो स्ट्रक्चर है IUPAC नेम एल्किल 512 डाइथायोलेन 3 आइल पेंटोनोइक एसिड. अदर नेम अल्फा लिपोइक एसिड एंड थर्टिक एसिड 6,8 डाइथायो ऑक्टेनोइक एसिड. प्रॉपर्टीज. केमिकल फार्मूला C8H14S2O2. मोलर मास 206.2 ग्राम पर मोल. Appearance yellow needle like crystals. Melting point 60 to 62 degrees Celsius. Solubility in water very slightly soluble 0.24 gram per liter. Solubility in ethanol 50 milligram per ml soluble. Physical and chemical properties. Lipoic acid, also known as alpha lipoic acid. Alpha lipoic acid anthiotic acid is an organosulfur compound derived from octanoic acid. Lipoic acid contains two sulfur atoms at C6 and C8 connected by a disulfide bond and is thus considered to be oxidized, although although either sulfur atom can exist in higher oxidation stage. Second, the carbon atom at C6 is chiral and the molecule exists as two enantiomer R plus lipoic acid and S minus lipoic acid SLA and as a racemic mixture RS lipoic acid. Third, La appears physically as a yellow solid and structurally contains a terminal carboxylic acid and a terminal dithiolane ring. Chautha, for use in dietary supplement materials and compounding pharmacies, the USP has established an official monograph for racemic mixture of lipoic acid.